Good Monday morning. It's Ant, and I'm in the yard hunting for 237, 233, 223, 289's off the road, so this must be 237. 237. We're all parked in weird spots today. So yeah, Monday morning, back in the yard. It's a cloudy Monday. I think it's the 11th, it's Remembrance Day. Please don't hit me. All these buses. Remembrance Day. It was Amnesty Day yesterday on Sunday. Very busy. A lot of people turned out for Amnesty Sunday, a lot of parades, which is really good to see. We stopped for a minute at 2 minutes at Abbey Street to give our love and remembrance. So let's fire this up. It's so cold this morning.
Okay.
It's really cold. I think a lot of them are struggling with condensation inside. We've got a new duty. New duty today. Doing New Line. Never started at New Line today. That beeping's annoying. Never started at New Line today. So yeah, I'm gonna have a look. So we're on board 13. I guess we've done 13 before, but they're never at New Line. Usually 13 in the evening on an 825 duty. So yeah, I'll just show you the board. So we start at Britannia New Line. Leave depot at 16:37. I'm wearing short sleeves, like a bad idea. A little bit tired from yesterday. So let's get the bus prepped, get it underway. Let's get off to New Line, and we'll talk to you in a bit about it. Right, we're at a starting point in Bacup. Took me a little bit longer than expected to get there. Just cold buses in the morning. I just don't like going. Yeah, so it's long day today, 6 till 6. 6:27 I think it is to, let's have a look. 6:27 till 19 minutes past 6. So it's going to be a long day. A long day yesterday as well. I'm in the box square, I think. Yeah. Not looking like a bad day today, actually. Should be a nice day. Weather looks clear. Hopefully no rain. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Glorious Accrington. Right, time for a break. Bit of a weird bus, playing up a little bit, but they'll fix it. Time to go and get a brew and warm up. Oh, it's been a long day. I didn't record a middle bit. It's been super long. You know when you just get one of those days where like everything isn't right and it's just busy. Yeah, it's been one of those days. It's been absolutely manic. I mean, manic. But just walking through the yard now. Oh, camera, come back. The guys are cleaning buses. Yeah, it's probably part of Tuesday's video as well, but Monday, Tuesday. Same duty, different day, probably that's the title. Driver Chronicles, same duty, different day. Dom still up the van, up them. Right. Wow. What a day. What a day. Do you know, he is one of my heroes, Harvey. He puts up with so much crap, doesn't he? But yeah, it's cold today. Definitely time for a big jacket. Come here, come back here. That's it. Focus up. So yeah, middle bit was just really, really busy. You can sit on there perfectly fine. Fine, I won't put you into. Ooh. Don't fall. I don't like driving with jackets on. I was just saying this to one of our new lads. I don't like driving with jackets on. Right, you didn't fall, that's good. yeah, so it's been, like I said, been really busy. Back on same duty tomorrow. It's cold, it's cold. Same duty tomorrow. Lots of kids in the morning. No one told me that starting a new line meant you got all the kids. You start a new line, get all the kids, and then in the evening, you get all the kids again. Carly was on the, Carly was on the, what you call it, duty. She was on a split duty. I think she's on split duty tomorrow, where she gets the school kids. She has to do the school kids' journey. Which is funny because she was behind me. And for some unknown reason, I had like 7 minutes everywhere. So it was just like, at one point I had 2 buses behind me. So yeah, it's been a bit of a weird day. I've probably not recorded as much as I wanted to. The middle of the day I got really tired. I've got to admit, I'm on reduced rest today, I think. And it's just tired. It really has tired me out. I mean, I think I did about 6 hours sleep, 5.5, maybe 6 hours. I think my alarm clock said 6.5, but you don't really get to sleep straight away, do you? At the middle part of my duty, I was just like, I needed coffee. I've not cashed in. I'm going to cash in at morning. What do we take? If I've not took over 100 quid, I'll be shocked. 91.70. Wow. Oh, well, I've done 153 zero fares. That'll explain it. I've took 259 tickets. I've done 6 trips on 3 ATMs. It was a lot busy on that last one. And the busy on the morning one. The morning one was horrific. So yeah, I thought I took more than that. I'll be brutally honest, because like, but then again, we get that middle bit, you get loads of free passes, because I think I go out as the first, one of the first 9:30 buses from Accrington, so you're just getting loads of passes, and it, in the nicest way possible, the passes are great, but they just add more complexity to the problem, because Transdev don't give you more time, or the company doesn't give you more time, but then you've got to wait for everyone to sit down, and that can take anywhere between like 20 and 40 seconds to maybe a minute, and that all adds up. So, not there's a problem. Anyone that's watching this who's got an elderly pass, don't think we're trying to rush you. It's not you that's the problem. It's the company doesn't give us enough time, and I think that's why some drivers just set off. But I don't. I don't. It bothers me. Let people sit down. They've got enough to worry about. Right. Oh, my jacket's in the back of the car. Right? I'm such a scat. My head's so done for. So I'll see you in the morning, because I think there's going to be a 2-parter. If I remember to take the camera and charge it. But yeah, definitely. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have more sleep, and we'll be a bit more awake in the middle part of it. Right, I'll see you very soon. For you guys, for me, it's going to be a few hours. Right, be back soon. Good morning, welcome back. It's a hive of activity this morning in New York. Just trying to stay away from things. Real bad hive of activity, so just trying to avoid everyone. A couple of vehicles in front, MOT by the looks of it. It's cold as fuck. It's cold as anything. Right, I'm going to clock in and we'll talk in a second, but welcome back. A rant coming on about frigging traffic management. What is the point of having traffic management and then sitting there asleep? 15 minutes it's took to get in from Rising Bridge to Aki. 15 minutes extra. And they're asleep in the van. Do your job. Wake up. Right, let's get 11 board out. I'm up and this is mine. Yep, my board. Right, it's third part of the day. Didn't film between me dinner break because I was talking to my lads. Yeah, I think this is mine. I think I'm late for it. I forgot what time I'm coming down at. Right, let's get it over and sorted. Oh, we're truly late tonight. what a show tonight has been. As soon as we can get my face tracking on there. Yeah, it's been a bit of a difficult one. Hopefully low light performance isn't too bad. Sorry, I brought you way too close then. Yeah, it's been absolutely horrendous. There was a bus missing in front of me. Yeah, I don't know how many I took. I took over 2 full loads easily, if not more. Really difficult as well because we got roadworks. There's roadworks at Holland's Pies, near Holland's Pies. So I'm 15 minutes late. By the time I get to Holland's Pies, the time's just clicking down. The next guy behind me is going for his dinner. The guy taking over from me, he stood at the bus stop waiting for me. Oh, it's not been an easy one today. So yeah, it's not been easy. It's hard to keep focused when it's like that, I'll be brutally honest. Obviously there's 96 stops on the 464, and I think I stopped at about, I've got to be 80 at least. At one point I was like, we can't stop here. Surely we can't stop. We never pick anybody up here, and we stopped. So yeah, it's quite stressful. It's quite difficult. I'm late. I'm not going to see Sebastian now till tomorrow, which is kind of a bummer because I've not really seen him properly for 2 days, 3 days. That kind of arcs me a little bit. So yeah, that's kind of the issue. Oh, someone's broken down. It's not one of ours though. So yeah, I gotta go and cash in now. Use the loo. But yeah, it's not all fun and games sometimes. Sometimes it's just, you know, a lot of customers upset, complaining because they were cold. Had the heating on for them. You just gotta keep smiling and apologising. One thing that I do that most drivers don't do is I apologise for being late. Right, so I'm going to cash out, and I'll hopefully see you again in another episode. Don't forget to like, comment if you want to, share, and if you want to, subscribe. Appreciate you all watching. Have a fantastic evening or day. Bye. Hey, it's me again. Just inserting here. I took 250 people. That missing bus led to me taking 250 people. That is a lot for one service. I don't think I took that all day prior to it. Says a lot. Right.